What's up, bros? 21-22 NBA Chronicles, the whole box of hanger packs. This year hanger packs are not carton boxes but plastic packs similar to fat packs. The only difference is that there are 30 cards per pack versus 15 cards per pack in fat packs. Exclusive to these hangers are score inserts as well as green parallel of all cards. Chronicles has a reputation of a kids product, but I'm an old fart and it is clearly and by far my most favorite product, so very much looking forward to this break. Quite a tower of cards here. The reason I love Chronicles so much is the variety of designs and the absence of scrubs on the checklist, only rooks and superstars like Steph Curry, for example. My favorite sets are of course Crusade, Phoenix. Also love the shiny XR. Elite looks really sharp. This year our first green parallel, so the only different things about parallels is that they have text in different colors, except Elite and XR also have the background finish in the color of the parallel. Sabonis optic update. These packs are $14.99 plus tax, so they are more than twice more expensive than fat packs, but they're only 2 times more cards. So there should be some better cards here to justify this price difference. A cool Crusade of Herb Jones will be interesting to see how he will do this year when Zion Donut Williamson is back. Luminance a little bit disappointing this year because I feel the photography is somewhat weaker than in the previous years, and the Luminance is mainly known for the great photography. Green parallel, you can see it from the green logo. Another green parallel. Jalen Sachs. Gwen and Grimes Elite green. These cards would really look good for Boston Celtics, given how they would nicely match for with the uniforms, perhaps also for Bucks. Kyrie. Oh, and we actually hit an auto of Joe Wieskamp. That's a Phoenix sticker auto. It's good that he put some effort into his auto, but I think Joe is not the highest profile rook. I think he's a mid-second round pick, although I'm not sure about that, but nevertheless a nice hit out of retail. I didn't expect something like that from watered down retail. And Crusade of Trey Mann. Not sure why they wrote that he is a man. It's clear that he is not a woman here. Score is a really nice looking this year because they've reduced the white borders, which made Score look really cheap in the previous years. They're still on the sides, but the top and bottom are now non-white border, and this makes the design really appealing this year. And I also feel like the Score photography, it's always good for Panini, also like in football, but This year I feel that it's also very strong for basketball, and Phoenix Giannis the Greek Freak, a cool looking card. Mobley playbook. I'm personally really high on Evan Mobley, given how great of a two-way player he is, because in Cleveland they have purely offensive players such as Mitchell or Garland, and then they have purely defensive players such as Jared Allen, for example. And Mobley is essentially the only player who can play at both ends. A very nice looking XR of Kate Cunningham. Moses Moody. The problem with this green XR parallels is that they would only look good for teams which have green uniforms, such as like Celtics or Bucks. For all other teams, they look a little bit weird because the green color doesn't match that well with a lot of colors. So this other green parallels where only the text is in green. Oh, Josh Giddey, Crusade. Crusade is one of my most favorite inserts. I love it from other times it was part of Excalibur. Probably most of you don't remember, but Excalibur was a great medieval themed product which had like a lot of interesting inserts. Not only Crusade, but also die-cut and die-cut shape inserts, like Knights of the Round Table, etc. Yes, so what I was saying is that for most teams, green parallels work the best if only the text is in green. So here, for example, this green looks really weird with LeBron's yellow uniform and Corey Kispert, a Gonzaga Bulldog Great Crusade. Jericho Sims Prism Rook update. Scotty Burns Rook of the Year. Jalen Sachs, Evan Mobley. This card will really look great in green parallel. This one as well. A great looking Giannis XR. Love the shiny finish, and another great looking KD lead. Also love the shiny finish. Raider Rook update of Trenton Watford. Not familiar with them. Herb Jones. Love how on Elites they match the home and away jerseys. And Josh Giddey XR Rook. Halliburton Prism update. Jalen Green, who had a terrible start of the season, but really improved for the second half. LaMelo, Cam Thomas, a terribly shooting guard. A beautiful Steph Curry Elite. Franz Wagner Crusade. It's interesting that the best projected rook for Orlando this season was Jalen Sucks, but Jalen really sucked. So Franz Wagner really became the best rook for Orlando this season. Trenton Watford Prism update. Yeah, so it seems that these better cards, such as, for example, Prism updates, Phoenix Crusade, they are more common in these hanger packs than in 15 cards fat packs. So perhaps this is what justifies the price difference. In terms of these two SKUs, Franz Wagner XR. Somehow XR doesn't have a strong following, but I love them a lot due to their simple yet shiny design. So always glad to pull a good rook in XR set. I see purple Phoenix at the back of this stash. I hope that it's Evan Mobley. Don't remember other. Yeah, it's an Evan Mobley. Always cool to pull a top rook in a Phoenix or in Crusade, and also Evan Mobley in Score. These are exclusive to this hanger packs. So overall, of course, I'm not getting anything close in terms of value, but I very, very much enjoyed this break. Perhaps I enjoyed it the most out of all SKUs due to higher number of this shiny cards such as XR, Crusade, and yeah, this is a really sharp looking card. Like what a beauty. Love how this green matches with Giannis uniform. And we also hit a Kate Cunningham Phoenix of a top rook, and then we've hit a Crusade of a top rook. So we finished really strong, and overall. Yeah, if you are not going after the monetary value, but you enjoy opening packs with a lot of cards and with a wide variety of designs, I would strongly recommend this product over products such as, for example, Prism or Optic, which have Scotty Barnes XR. Stronger following, but more dull to open in my opinion. In terms of our hits, we hit this Joe Waskamp sticker auto with some surface problems, but my favorite cards are Phoenixes of Cade, Evan, Giannis, and then Crusades of Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, Josh Giddey, Moses Moody. Absolutely love this Giannis in green parallel. Also really like Elites of Evan and Cade. And then XRs of Cade, Giannis, Josh, Franz Wagner, Steph Curry, Scotty Burns, King James. And this Harden Optic in Sixer third uniform is a very appealing card to me because I love photos in less conventional uniforms. I also managed to complete the whole 25 card score set. What is puzzling to me is that there is no LeBron in this set, so a little bit weird to say the least, but nevertheless I find the score design this year more appealing because there are less of these white borders, and the photography, like for example this Tram photography, is great.